Sundaeswap Dex. Finally, Sundaeswap is another DEX on Cardano, well worth taking a look at. Final thoughts. In order to purchase your shiny new tokens, you'll need to set up a Cardano compatible wallet. If you don't have one yet, check out this video. And don't forget to pick up some pop-up world tokens PUW on the way. It's important to remember that this video is by no means financial advice. Remember to do your own research and stay safe. Crypto is extremely volatile and you should resist going all in on a project, as you're likely to lose more than you can afford. Good luck.